आज काफ़ी बड़ा दिन है because Maruti Suzuki has unveiled its new SUV and that is quite an important segment. It is the 4 meter plus segment and to talk to me I have none other than obviously Rana sir. Thank you so much to speak. अगर आप short में बता पाएंगे how what this Victorious is all about.
Victoris is a product which we have developed for young customers. So young customers of today and young customers of future, they will really appreciate it. And this is a product which is having a new design and which is cool and modern. और ये हमारे customers को appeal करेगी और ये car is full of experience. We have feature loaded this with many product, many
ADAS and
many
lot of
many
features.
many features which will create experience because young generation they need experience in whatever they do. So इसमें हमारे experience की कमी नहीं है. We have integrated 8-speaker Dolby sound system with new display audio. I think इसमें convenience के point of view से we have integrated a power tailgate and safety के point of view से I think it is level 2 ADAS integrated with 6 airbag as standard feature and Bharat NCAP 5-star
Okay,
rating
that's also
already
big.
has been achieved.
Great,
So it's a fully packaged Victorious package for our customers. This is going to create a lot of excitement for our Indian customers.
आपने पहले से ही अपने रेंज में यू हैव गिवन सो मेनी ऑप्शंस एज वेल. सो हाउ वाज द थॉट क्योंकि आपने सीएनजी पहले से ही दे दिया, आपने हाइब्रिड दिया, आपने ऑल व्हील ड्राइव भी दिया. सो इट हैज प्रीटी मच अ ह्यूज रेंज. दैट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस कि आप
Yes. Because I think India is diverse and you want to satisfy various customer profiles. And I think to satisfy them, there are different customer needs. So I think depending on his or her need, we are creating a value proposition which will make sense for that value.
आपका obviously it's too early. अगर आपके दिमाग में what do you think the sales split CNG between hybrid, like what do you feel is going forward? आपके दिमाग which is going to be the more popular?
I think all powertrains are important for us.
Okay.
And we are geared up for that. And CNG, as I spoke in the presentation also, CNG is a very important powertrain option, keeping in mind the future decarbonization strategy. So with that, I think we have created more value, and this is
With the tank also.
yes, with the underbody
हाँ.
CNG tank, which is a very interesting concept for our customer, and which is also environmental friendly.
Yes.
So I think, I hope, and I'm sure that this is going to create a lot of excitement in the market, and this will become a very important.
I think CNG sales आपकी grow. So with this car, आपके what do you feel the SUV share आपका कितना बढ़ेगा? Like obviously Grand Vitara is doing well already. So where does this fit? काफी how where does
I
fit?
think definitely this will help us grow the market.
grow the market.
Yes.
Yeah. And not also the Maruti's share in the SUV
Yes,
space
yes.
because
Let's definitely that is the whole objective, and I think Partho-san will be in a better position to talk about numbers.
okay, last question. आपने features काफी सारे डाले हैं.
जी.
तो which was that a very important? क्योंकि आजकल features ज़्यादा ADAS. I think it's the first SUV आपका जिसमें ADAS है. So was that a sort of big choice because इस segment में भी competition काफी ज़्यादा है features.
जी.
So was that a major?
Yes, definitely yes. Because as I said, we actually when we were conceptualizing this product, we wanted to give experience, security, convenience. So it's a fully packaged product. So it's a real Victorious product.
That is the best way to say it. एक आपने अपने स्लाइड पर हमने देखा था कि localization, the hybrid version has the आपका I think this is the first to have the localized. I think that's also a big step going
Yes,
forward.
yes.
I think for electrification आपका क्या what's your thoughts on that?
Anyway, today we are here for our Victorious launch. So let's talk about Victorious, and if you have any questions on that. For
फाइन
electric-
एक बार फाइनली एक सवाल है कि SUV सेगमेंट में आपने बोला था द यंग बायर. सो आर यू विलिंग टू टैप इनटू द वे टू न्यू आप डू यू थिंक दिस कार विल ओपन मारुति सुजुकी टू अ न्यू SUV buyer, to a new buyer who may not have been a customer earlier? What आपका
Sure,
क्या?
why not? Yes.
Okay, so you're going to tap into that
Yes.
young space.
customer. Yes.
Oh, okay. Fantastic. So there you go, all the details, and we look forward to driving it soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.